Welcome to our video, the 2021 tax update for education expenses. My name is Karen Daniels. I'm an enrolled agent here at Shellis & Associates, and I'm going to step through this with you. The first topic we wanted to cover is regarding educator expenses. So this would apply to expenses that are paid out by someone like a teacher. So for purposes of this deduction, who is considered an educator? Well, it's someone who works in grades kindergarten through 12th. It could be a teacher, an aide, a principal, a counselor, or an instructor. And so this deduction can be up to $250 of unreimbursed expenses. Just a side note, if you and your spouse are both considered educators, you can deduct up to $500. And so this would include out-of-pocket costs for things like books, supplies and materials, and computer software and equipment used in your classroom. So now we're going to talk about credits for education expenses. These would be expenses that students pay. And the first credit to discuss is the American Opportunity Credit. So we'll see that this credit applies to the first 4 years of higher education. It can be for up to $2,500 per student. You must be enrolled at least half-time as a student. And you must be pursuing a degree or other recognized education credential. Qualifying expenses for the American Opportunity Credit include tuition, fees, and other related expenses that are required for enrollment or attendance. Note that things like room and board, insurance, medical expenses, and transportation do not apply to this credit. The next credit is the Lifetime Learning Credit. It's for undergraduate, graduate, and professional degree courses, including courses to acquire or improve job skills. There's no limit on the number of years you can claim the credit, and it's worth up to $2,000 per tax return. Now, the expenses that you can use for this credit are very similar to the ones for the American Opportunity Credit, but for the Lifetime Learning Credit, you must pay them directly to the education institution. A couple last notes on education. The first is that some student loans that were forgiven during the year will not be taxable. This depends on your specific situation, so you'll need to ask questions about this. Also, interest earned on certain savings bonds will be tax-free if they were used for education. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or want further information, you can give us a call or contact us through our website at shellisandassociates.com.